Hey guys, Monkhaus here, and today we're going to explore the two types of image segmentation. It's going to be a super quick video and we won't be doing any programming today. So if we open up a browser, which I've just done on my second screen, and then we googled for image segmentation, or we searched for it, whatever search engine you're on, and if we switch to images, then we will get something that looks like this. Now we can begin to analyze this. So we can begin by looking at a few images. I'm going to start by looking at this image on the top right hand side. And what we actually have here is an example of both types of image segmentation that we're interested in. On the left side, which is image 1, we have what we call semantic segmentation. And then on the right hand side, image 2, we have what we call instance segmentation. So the difference is it's really simple to hopefully you should be able to see straight away. Here what we're doing is everything that we believe to be part of this category or group called person or people, that's going to have one color or one representation, and then that's semantic segmentation. And the word semantic is something you will come across quite often in computer vision domain. And then instance segmentation on the right hand side will actually create a unique instance for every type of object. Now you still want to find, so here for example we know that every pixel that is red belongs to person 1, every pixel that is blue belongs to person 4. And then we also have, I guess it doesn't matter as much, but we have this kind of yellow outline which isn't part of anyone. It's just a different segment that we don't necessarily care about. So we can look at a couple of images that are more complex right now. So here we can see this is an example of semantic segmentation again. So all people are represented by the color red, all cars are represented by a dark blue, then you've got this public transport, which might be a lighter blue, and then you've got your greens and your signs are yellow. So you can actually see that in a self-driving car system, it might be important to firstly be able to group different types of objects. So you would be doing some semantic segmentation because you would have different rules for different groups. So you might know that a person isn't going to suddenly start moving at 50 miles per hour unless perhaps they're on a motorbike. So you want rules, but you also want instance segmentation also. Now, for example, here you could make the same argument that if you're on a car, you want to be able to detect, you want to be able to keep track of every instance of an object, because person 1 and person 2 might be moving in different directions or at different speeds, and the same with cars. So you do need to be able to use both to be able to tell, like in a full system. But hopefully you understand the fundamental difference between them. I think it's really simple to understand it, but I wanted to make a short video on it in case anyone wasn't sure. So that's really it. If you're interested in computer vision related stuff, I'm definitely going to be making more videos in this domain. What I hope to do eventually is move towards web development and integrate computer vision with that. So if you're interested in that, then subscribe. So I'll be using like Django, and then we'll be using like OpenCV and other imaging libraries to work in the web with. So if you like that, then subscribe. If the video was useful at all, then consider leaving a like. And thank you for watching.